How do we develop next generation leaders? For me, it's a quite interesting question and a vital question. This is one of the best questions ever asked, I believe. Leadership is key for any success, especially for a bright future after such disturbances, pandemic, for example. We need leaders who can understand the situation and gear up. And if you ask me, like, what is the kind of leadership we need for the future, especially in such a situation in this 21st century, where things are changing, when we are dependent on internet the most, and the way we work, the way we think, the way we want resources, all that has changed. Leadership should focus on sustainability. As an anthropologist, I will definitely say that leadership today, especially in the given situation, should focus on sustainability and create wealth for the human beings without disturbing the ecosystem of this Mother Earth. We need intensive philosophical change among the leaders and the way we expect from a leader. And we need thought leaders and not the taskmasters. And we need leaders who can drive us and who can be a champion of truly inclusivity. Please understand, truly inclusivity, not those who will drive us creating rift and bias. They need a broader perspective. What do you call? I mean, leaders need to have a broader thinking than deeper thinking, because comprehension is required. You need to handle many things, and it's very tough to handle millennials today. And our population is aging, and we need to also accommodate them, support them. Probably because of the longevity, we need to also provide opportunities for people to work not constrained with age, and at the same time provide opportunities for millennials, those who have a different kind of thinking altogether. So we need leaders who can nurture creativity, who will drive productivity by being human, by being more human.